Hi dears, in my kitchen I have made tasty and delicious prawns roast or prawns fry. If you like the recipe I'm sharing, please do subscribe and give me a big like. Here I have taken 780 gram of cleaned and deveined prawns. Always drain the water from the prawns before marination. For the marination you need half teaspoon of pepper powder, 2 teaspoon of normal chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and medium size half lemon juice, and add salt to taste and mix well. After the marination you can immediately shallow fry it, but I am keeping in a freezer for 10 minutes. Let's move to the next step. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a half teaspoon of pepper powder and half lemon juice. Add salt to taste and add half cup of water and mix it well and keep it aside. Here I am shallow frying the prawns, but do not add too much of oil, otherwise the marination or masala will not stick on to the prawns. Shallow fry the prawns for 4 to 5 minutes, but don't overcook the prawns. Keep the flame in medium while cooking. In between, give it a good mix so that the masala stick onto the prawns and taste yum. I have taken the medium size prawns. The cooking time always differs according to the size of the prawns. In the same pan, I am adding coconut oil, but you can use sunflower oil or oil of your choice. Here I am adding 1 big onion finely chopped and salt to taste and few curry leaves. Saute till the onion becomes soft. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute till the raw smell leaves. Now add the spice mixture we made. Cook it till the oil comes out of this masala. Now you can check that masala has been cooked well. Now it's time to add the shallow fried prawns. Mix well thoroughly and cook it for a minute or two. Let the prawns and masala absorb all the flavor. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. 780 gram till 1 kg of prawns, you can add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. Add little water and cook so that the raw taste of coriander should not be there. Mouth-watering prawns roast or prawns fry is ready, and at the end add few curry leaves. If you like this prawns recipe, then I will link my few other prawns recipe. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching.